Hi guys, welcome to How to Sort YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can make a shortcut in Snapchat. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Snapchat application. Once you open Snapchat, then you need to click any snap, and then you need to click on send to, and then you need to click on the search bar. And here you can see the option of shortcuts. Click on that, and then you need to click on new shortcut, and then you need to select any of your random friends. So I'm going to select random people, and then you need to click on create shortcut, and then you need to select any emoji. So I'm going to select this one, and then you need to click on create shortcut. So you can see that now shortcut is created. So by following these steps, you can easily create shortcut in Snapchat. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.